I've studied electrical engineering, and I'm now working in the automotive business, as well as I'm a PhD candidate. So the automotive business, there is also a lot of rules and standardizations, and my job there is a test manager. So I have to see that the products my company built, that they are according to all the standards we have to meet. I've been involved in my national committee for standardizations for a while. So there is an association for electrical engineers in Germany, the VDE, and the national committee, the DKE, is part of this. And they do a lot of work for students and young professionals, and I try to support this work. And that's how I heard of the IEC Young Professional Program. The workshop was very interesting for me because there are so many different cultures, and it was very nice to see how all these people from the different countries work together, and what the different views they have on standardization, and how this comes together, where there's differences, where there's common feelings. I think being a young professional at the general meeting has a lot of benefits for yourself on the one hand. So of course you can improve your soft skills, you can get to know a lot of different people, a lot of different cultures, and you can interact with them. And also on the professional side, you get to know a lot of very interesting people who work in all the technical committees, and they are very open to you, so they answer all your questions, and I think you can build yourself a very useful professional network. My employer, I think he also benefits on two things. So the employee, so me, learns something about himself, about the soft skills, about interacting with different cultures, which is very important, and you can use the skills in a lot of different tasks, not only for standardization. And on the other hand, if there is one employee of the company who is really involved in standardization and who has a chance to participate on a young professional meeting from the IEC, then I think that's one of the best things a company can, what can happen to a company. I think I will hopefully remember from the workshop all the different people I met, from all over the world, who are really interesting, and I will have now a really broad view on the IEC. I haven't known too much about the IEC before, and now this was really a great opportunity to get to know all the different parts of the organization. I think being involved in a program can be always a win-win situation. So you give something, you give your time, you give some effort, but you are also likely to get back a lot of things. So you get your professional contacts, you get back your personal benefits. I think for young people, you get to travel a lot, and traveling is always very nice. So there's a lot to give and a lot to get.